In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Dropbox folder with someone. Sharing a folder in Dropbox is one of the easiest ways to collaborate, send large files, or give someone ongoing access to documents without emailing attachments back and forth. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, and give you a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your Dropbox home dashboard. This is where you can see all your folders and files that are stored in your account. Take a moment to locate the folder you want to share. It might be in your main All Files area or inside another folder if you keep things organized by project or client. When you've found the folder you want to share, move your mouse over it. As you hover over the folder, you'll see several icons appear to the right. One of these icons is the copy link icon. It usually looks like a small chain link or link symbol. Go ahead and click that icon. When you do, Dropbox automatically creates a shareable link for that specific folder and copies it to your clipboard. You don't need to download anything or open extra menus. The link is ready to use immediately. Now that you have the link, you can share it with the person you have in mind using any form of communication you prefer. You could paste it into an email, send it in a chat app, drop it into a text message, or even share it in a project management tool if you're working with a team. Just paste the link wherever you're writing your message. When the other person clicks on that link, they'll be taken directly to the shared folder in their browser. Depending on the folder's settings and your Dropbox plan, they may be able to view, download, or add files. So make sure you're comfortable with what's inside before you share it. And that's all there is to it. By going to your Dropbox home dashboard, hovering over the folder to copy its link, and then sending that link through your preferred communication channel, you can quickly and easily share a Dropbox folder with anyone.